Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to show you what I created with my 10 cards, one kit that I put together. And I started with the Close to My Heart kit from the seasonal #2 catalog. And I've already forgotten the name of it. Let me look. I have a border strip left on here. Little Dreamer was the card kit. And so it is part of that paper line. So I created 12 cards with it, and they're all there, and this is what I had left over from the original kit. I had the whole roll of white trim because I had one that was already open, and so I pulled that in and I used it several times. From the original kit, I think I had some bling left. Yeah, here. And I did use a few of those. None of the pinks, some of the greens and some of the purples I think I used. And that's it for that. And then the stamp set that came with it says miss you, love you. Use those. And I pulled in some additional stamps. Oh, wait. Let me go through and show you what I have left of each different embellishment. So these came with the original kit, that came with the original kit. And then the papers that I had, I mixed in. I have originals left with what I mixed in. Like the glitter papers, I added those in. I have these as far as little scraps go, a bigger scrap here. Those are some flowers that I stamped out and then didn't end up using. And you can see, I have quite a bit, I added quite a bit of paper in, but I also used quite a bit of it. I cut into everything, so everything got cut into, with the exception I think of one of my scrap papers. This one, I don't think I used any of that. And then the bigger pieces I have some of the black, some of the white, some of the pattern paper piece that I added in here, here, and here. So you can see I got quite a bit of use out of the paper. Stamp sets that I added in as well. I have this set from, it's called Keep Dreaming, Seasons and Nature from Close to My Heart. This set, Card Chatter Birthday Celebration, or Birthday, from Close to My Heart, just all birthday sentiments. This one is the Celebrations. It's the stamp set and thin cuts, and it's called Little Dreamer Card Making. And then this one is just ink blot flare, and I did not use this one. I'm just hesitant to use it. I added in these 2 additional washi tapes. This one I did not use. This one I used a couple of times. I had added in additional enamel dots. I used some of these. They're from Freckled Fawn. These are from Freckled Fawn. I did use some of those. Did not use any of those, and I used a couple of those. I added in these puffy stickers. I did not use those. These icons here, the stars, hearts, triangles, circles, arrows, I used several of those. This set of butterflies, let me find something to put it against. Let me do it on this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them I used. And then this alphabet I used twice to create titles. And then I had these leftover frames. I had added in quite a few of those, and I think I used a couple of them. So that's what I have left over from my kit. Now let me show you the cards. And these are not necessarily in the order that I created them. Happy birthday to you, and many more, and I stamped stars on the envelope. This one, another happy birthday. It says, you don't stop laughing because you grow old because you stop laughing. And then on the envelope I stamped out laugh. That one is the same, and I tried to do 2 of each design. Maybe not the exact same papers. You can see these 2 backgrounds are different. These 2 are the exact same. So you can see same pattern papers on the front, same cardstock, same glitter papers, and even the same banner pieces there. This one says hello. That's one of those little vellum stickers. I put it on top of white cardstock and cut it out. Same with the butterfly, just to give it some additional oomph. Otherwise, it just kind of blended in. And it says, I really love you lots. And I tried stamping and watercoloring on the envelope. I'm not sure how, I don't like how this one turned out. The other one, I like much better. This one. Different flower, different butterfly, but same design element. And then same sentiment on the inside. And this one, I just kind of tapped my, I think I used like this brush. And I had, of course, when it's wet, it's going to be much thinner. And then I just took it and dotted them down like that. This one, I used one of those frames here. Another vellum flower and some of the glitter shapes there. The glitter cardstock back behind these. And then on the inside, front side says happy birthday, and it says a true friend remembers your birthday but not your age. And then I stamped a unicorn on the front of the envelope. Same as this, instead of a flower, I put a butterfly here, used another one of those frames. Same sentiment on the inside, same unicorn on the envelope. This one is directly from the catalog. It's the design that they used in there. I think I did it a little bit differently. I think they had these more overlapping, but I did them differently. So there's that. And it says lots and lots. And just a little emoji face on a heart on the envelope. Same one for this one. No different. What's not different at all. And then this one too is from the catalog. The design is from the catalog, and it says miss you so much, and it's got a heart with a sad face emoji on it, and it's on a foam square, and it says love you. And then on the envelope where the lines where you put their name and address, I stamped XOXOXO for the lines. So I have 2 of those. So I really like how these cards turned out, and I'll probably do this whole process again. It was really fun. I like using up these kits, getting as much as I can used up out of them, and creating stuff that I know that I'll use. So I know I'll get all of these added into my card stash and get them mailed out. Hopefully in a timely manner. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching my videos. I would love it if you would flick me a thumbs up, and make sure and subscribe. Anyway, I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great day.